Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to add subtitles in VLC Media Player. Open your favorite browser. Go to opensubtitles.org. You can also use subscene.com, tvsubtitles.net. In the search box, type the name of your favorite movie or TV show and hit search. When you start typing, suggestions will appear. Click on the relevant result. Here you can find subtitles of the movie in many different languages. Hover over the country flag to see the subtitle language. When you find the suitable subtitle, click on it. Click on the download button. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, click on the arrow next to the file and select Show in Folder. Extract the zip file. Copy the file and paste it in the same location as your video file. Now open the video file in VLC Media Player.
Maybe you could. Daisy, thank you. If we don't.
In the top menu bar, click on Subtitle option. Select Add Subtitle from the drop-down menu. Select the file on your computer and click Open.
Get those animals. I said not now!
As you can see, subtitle has been added to the video. This is how you can add subtitles in VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching.